I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the app is current and your account has a verified phone and email so backup ties to you. Next, open your profile, tap Settings, then Memories. Enable Backup and Sync or Autosave to start the cloud copy. Once done, watch the backup progress indicator. This confirms photos and snaps are queued. Make sure you have enough device storage and a reliable Wi-Fi connection because large libraries need stable uploads. You monitor the process by checking backup progress and the last backup time in Memories so you know what completed. If you prefer, set uploads to Wi-Fi only to avoid cellular charges. Alternatively, allow cellular for faster completion. Once syncing runs, remove app or clear cache only after confirming last backup is recent. This prevents data loss. Additionally, manually export crucial snaps to your camera roll if you plan app resets or device transfer. You complete the process by signing into the same Snapchat account on the target device. Memories will sync and restore backed items automatically when logged in and connected. If syncing stalls, toggle backup off and on, then reconnect to Wi-Fi to force a retry, because small glitches often reset the upload queue. If things still go wrong, clear the app cache or reinstall Snapchat after confirming you see a recent last backup. Doing so preserves backed content and resolves most persistent sync failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.